Mr. Gator, he's gonna chomp the 5. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Hey kiddos, are you ready to work on our math skills? Let's get started. The big letters on the left-hand side of the symbol spell the word big, and the small letters to the right spell the word small. This illustration helps us understand that the more than sign is always bigger on the side that eats the bigger number. And it's always smaller on the side that points to the smaller number. Let's take a look at another picture to see a few more examples. Now, you probably recognize these symbols, but what's up with all the dots? Well, let's talk about it. Right here, the red arrow is pointing to the equal sign. On either side of the equal sign, you'll see 5 dots, or circles. There's 5 on one side and 5 on the other. If we compare those two, we'll say they are the same. That's what's written underneath, S-A-M-E, same. So equals means the same. We have the same number on either side. Move to the next one. Now the red arrow is pointing at the less than sign. On the left side, there are 4 dots, and on the right side, there are 6 dots. You can think of the less than sign as an arrow that points to the side which has less. Right now, it's pointing to the side that has only 4, since 6 is more. Or you can think of it as a hungry alligator who only wants to eat the most. And so he's chomping over toward the 6 side, because 6 is more than 4. And that'll bring us to the last one. It's just like the less than sign, only it's pointing in the other direction, and it works the same way. That alligator is so hungry and he wants to eat more, and so he'll always chomp toward the side that has more. In this case, if you count the blue dots on the left side, there are 6 blue dots, but then on the right side there are only 3. And since 6 is more than 3, the more than sign is going to chomp toward the 6. Let's practice together. Here is our alligator buddy, and he's ready to eat whichever one has more. Which side has more? Yep. He'll flip on his head to eat that. 5 is more than 3. So, Mr. Gator, he's gonna chomp the 5. Chomp, chomp, chomp. 5 is more than 3. Alright, let's do this again. Here we have 4. Here we have 2. Is 2 more or less than 4? Let's ask Mr. Gator. Mr. Gator, is 2 more or less than 4? Jump, 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 jump. Oh, Gator's eating the 4 because the 4 is bigger than the 2, and Mr. Alligator is very hungry. 2 is less than 4. Okay, what do we have here? 3 on this side. 3 on this side. Here comes Mr. Gator. Here comes Mr. Gator. He's looking for a snack. What's he gonna do? Is 3 less than 3? No. Is 3 more than 3? Nope. Mr. Gator is out of luck. He doesn't know which one to eat because he only wants to eat what's more. And 3 is equal to 3. 3 is the same as 3. Mr. Gator doesn't get to chomp this time. Okay, here we have 2. Here we have 5. Is 2 more or less than 5? That's right, 2 is less than 5. And since the gator eats what's more, he's going to eat the 5. 2 is less than 5. Ready for another one? On this side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On this side, we have 1, 2, 3. Is 6 more or less than 3? Which one's bigger? 6 is bigger. Chomp it. Chomp, 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 chomp. Hungry gator chomps the 6, not the 3. Because 6 is more than 3. It's bigger or greater